Students, today, as yesterday, you know that we studied the second chapter of your honeysuckle book, How the Dog Found Himself a New Master. I hope you understood this story. And if there is any problem, you can ask me. Today, we will discuss its word meaning and question answer and exercise given in the books. वर्ड मीनिंग को आज डिस्कस कर लेते हैं, क्वेश्चन आंसर को डिस्कस करेंगे, एंड देन वी विल डिस्कस द एक्सरसाइज गिवन इन योर बुक. जो बुक में कुछ एक्सरसाइज दी हुई है उसको डिस्कस किया जाएगा. So if you don't have book along with you, please make sure that you are having the book along with the pen, pencil, whatever you have. So let's start. First, let us discuss the word meaning, students. There are around 7 word meanings जो आपकी बुक में दी हुई है. If you have the book, you can see. So I don't think there should be any problem to you. The words which are given in the book, आप easily उसको लिख सकते हैं, समझ सकते हैं. If there will be any problem, you can ask me. We will discuss the words especially which are given in the paragraph, which meaning has not been given in the book, students. कुछ ऐसे भी words आए हैं जिनका meaning जो है वो आपको book में नहीं दिया हुआ है. So we will discuss all those words and we will see the meaning of those words. So let's start. First, you can see the word panic. There is a word panic. Panic means, students, when you are in a state of confusion. In a state of confusion or fear. The state of confusion and fear. Panic means, students, the state of confusion or fear. Like the sentence has come in your book that all the cows were moving and running in all direction in panic. सभी जो cows हैं वो they were moving loudly and they were running in panic in all directions. So this the state of confusion or fear. I think it should be clear to you. Then you can also get a word beast. Beast means, students, a large, a big animal. A big animal. Beast. The word has come. The lion is the strongest beast on the earth. So beast means, students, a big animal. Frightened. Third word is frightened. Frightened. Frightened means, students, afraid, डरा होना, or feel fear. If you are frightened, then you are afraid. It means आप डरे हुए हैं. और feel fear, आप डर जैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं. Next word is amid. Amid means, students, in the middle of something. In the middle of something. In the middle of something. Wander. Wander means, students, to walk here and there. Here and there purposelessly. Wander purposelessly. I have written, students. If it is not visible, word meaning, spelling I tell you. Purposely. L-E-S-S-L-Y, purposelessly. So you can note it down. It's not visible due to the light. To walk here and there purposelessly. Another word meaning which is given in paragraph is, students, readily. R-E-A-D-I-L-Y, readily. Readily, it means quickly. Without difficulty. Without difficulty. C-U-L-T-Y. Let me write again. Without difficulty. D-I-F-F-I-C-U-L-T-Y. Next word is, students, move, long, deep, sound, made by a cow. It's moo. Sniff, to breathe air in.
सर
Yes.
और आप जो लिखवा रहे हैं सर,
क्विकली के बाद क्या लिखे हैं?
Quickly.
सर,
Quickly.
सबसे
Without.
नीचे सर हैंड के बाद
quickly.
Quickly. After quickly, I have written without. W-I-T-H-A-U-T. Without. Yes. One student was saying what you were saying. Please ask your question again. To breathe air in. To smell something. Now another word is, after sniff, strike, to hit something or somebody.
सर आप जो लिखवा रहे हैं सर, आप ग्रुप पे भेज दीजिए सर। सर मेरे अच्छे से नहीं जान कर रहा है।
Okay, no problem. I will just explain you, and I will also send meaning in the WhatsApp group. No problem.
Sir, please side.
Note it down.
सर समथिंग के बाद क्या लिखे हैं लास्ट वाले में?
Something, somebody.
कॉपी पे भी लिखना है।
Yes, you need to write it into your copy. Copy पे भी लिखना है आपको. Okay, students, don't worry if you have not written, no matter. We all are discussing. I have just written for discussion, students. I will also send the word meanings to you in WhatsApp group. So if you have not written, don't worry. Now the word meanings you have written, the meaning of the words you have written. If there is any problem, you can ask. किसी कोई problem है? Any problem in the word, meaning of any word?
Sir, question answer.
Yes, I will discuss the question answer. But before going to the question answer, आपको किसी words की meaning में problem है तो आप पूछ सकते हो. Words की meaning clear है सबको?
सर स्ट्रक के मीनिंग लिखे हैं आप, टू हिट समथिंग, उसके बाद क्या लिखे हैं?
To hit something and somebody. To hit something and somebody. So students, I hope meaning of all the words are clear to you. Now we will talk about
Yes,
the question answer, students. There are total 5 questions. If you have the book, see the first question. In the first question, the question is being asked that why did dog feel the need for a master? Why did the dog feel the need for a master? Is there any student who can answer these questions? कोई भी स्टूडेंट्स जो इसका आंसर बताना चाहता है? Why did the dog feel the need for a master? एक डॉग को एक मास्टर की आवश्यकता या जरूरत क्यों पड़ी? उसे क्यों लगता था कि I should have a master? Can anyone answer it? In the very first paragraph, student, you can see the answer. We studied yesterday that there was a dog who was sick and tired of his way of living. वो अपनी जिंदगी से परेशान था. He didn't want to go daily in search of food, and he was also frightened of the other animal who were stronger than him. Students, let me again tell you the answer of the first question. The first question में ये पूछा जा रहा है, dog को एक master की जरूरत क्यों पड़ी? So the answer is that you don't need to write the answer. Answer I will send in the WhatsApp group. You just try to understand what I am trying to say in the answer of the first questions. The dog felt the need for a master because he was fed up and tired of his way of living. वो अपनी जिंदगी से ऊब चुका था. And he did not want to go in search of food daily, and he was also afraid of the other animals who were stronger than him. So that is why he felt the need for a master. इसीलिए उसको एक मास्टर की जरूरत पड़ी. I hope आपको आंसर समझ में आया होगा. It is in the first paragraph your book as well. ये आपके पहले पैराग्राफ में है बुक के. You can also see the answer there. आप वहां भी आंसर देख सकते हो. And still it is not clear to you, I will send you the answer. You can note it down in your notebook. Now let's talk about the second question, students. It is who did he first choose as his master, and why did he leave it? So if you have understood the story, अगर आपको स्टोरी समझ में आई होगी, तो आप हमने कल पढ़ा था, the dog first choose Ulf as his master. पहले उल्फ को वो अपने मास्टर के रूप में चुनता है. And another question is that in the same question, students, why did he leave him? क्यों उसको छोड़ देता है? So he left the wolf because the wolf was not stronger than the bear. As the dog saw that the bear was stronger than the wolf, he left the wolf. उसने wolf को क्या कर दिया? Dog ने छोड़ दिया. So the dog left the wolf because he was not stronger than bear. That is why dog left the wolf. इसीलिए जो है dog ने wolf को left कर दिया. Again, let me tell you the second question. Second question ये पूछ रहा है students, who did first dog choose as his master? Dog जो है सबसे पहले अपने मास्टर ग्रुप में किसको चुनता है? It's very easy answer for you. The dog first choose wolf as his master. And why did he leave him? क्यों उसको छोड़ देता है? He left the wolf because the wolf was not stronger than the bear. So the dog left the wolf. I hope आपको ये आंसर समझ में आ गया होगा. Let's talk about the third question, students. Who did he choose next? After leaving the wolf, उसके बाद वो किसको अपने मास्टर के रूप में चुनता है? It's very very simple answer. He choose bear as his next master. wolf के बाद वो बेयर को अपने नेक्स्ट मास्टर के रूप में चूज करता है, चुनता है. So the answer is quite simple. He chose bear as his next master. So it was the third question, students. Now let's move towards the fourth question. Fourth question is that why did he serve the lion for a long time? You know, before choosing the man as his master, dog chose lion as his master and served him for long time. So the question is being asked is that question में ये पूछा जा रहा है, why did dog serve the lion for the long time? What was the reason? Reason was that, student, reason simple था. Reason was that the dog was the strongest beast or animals in the forest, or you can say on the earth. So nobody dared to touch or offend the dog. And the dog has nothing to complain. उसको कुछ शिकायत नहीं थी. He was very happy. Dog जो था वो बहुत happy था, बहुत खुश था. So that is the reason, or you can say that was the reason he served the dog for a long time. Let me again repeat the answer. You can write or the answer this way with the help of book, that the dog served the lion for the long time because he had nothing to complain of. कुछ भी उसके पास शिकायत नहीं थी. Because the lion was the strongest animal on the earth, and due to which nobody dared to touch the dog or even offend the dog any way. किसी की हिम्मत नहीं होती थी जो डॉग को टच कर सके या उसको हर्ट कर सके या उसको भला बुरा कर सके. So that is the why the dog served the lion for the long time. इसीलिए जो है डॉग ने लायन के साथ लंबी अपनी सेवा दी. Now let's talk about the last but not the last question, student. Who did he finally choose as his master and why? Finally जो है डॉग किसको अपने मास्टर के रूप में चुनता है और क्यों चुनता है? So answer is, I think, very simple. Finally the dog choose the man as his master. And why did he choose? क्यों man को चुना? Because even lion was afraid of the man. जो lion भी था, who was the strongest beast you can say on the earth, he was, despite that he was also afraid of a man. वो भी एक आदमी से डर रहा था. So finally dog chose the man as his master. इसलिए डॉग ने फाइनली एक आदमी को अपने मास्टर के रूप में चुना. स्टूडेंट्स, so these were the 5 questions, students, which are given in your which had been given in your book. So I hope ये आंसर आपको समझ में आ गए होंगे. I will send you answer of it, so you don't need to write. I just discussed the question answer for your understanding. आपके समझ के लिए मैंने डिस्कस किया था. If you have the book, you can see the another exercise, students, related to this story. अगर आपके पास बुक है तो आप स्टोरी एक्सरसाइज कुछ दिया हुआ है बुक में, उसको डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. If you have the book, please see in your book. Options are given. Options दिए हुए हैं. So first, in the first place, this is the story of. So this is the story of a dog who used to be, and blank space is there, students. So in the first blank space, you kindly fill be his own master. Option is given, be his own master. So you can fill this and answer in the first blank space. In second, you please fill stronger than anyone else. In the second option, you feel stronger than anyone else. And in the third option, you please feel a wolf. In the third option, the answer would be a wolf. And in the fourth one, students, do you have the book? In fourth one, wait,
Yes,
students,
sir.
let me find. Yes, ask. In fourth one, you fill the bear story. In third one, fill a wolf. Third option में आप wolf fill कर लो. And in the fourth one, the bear. Fourth option में आप bear fill कीजिएगा. And in the fifth one, please fill the strongest of all. If you have the book, you can see the option strongest of all in the fifth option. And in the sixth, please fill a lion.
Sir, man.
And in the last option, please fill afraid of a man. Kauslesh Maurya ji, Kauslesh Maurya, please make sure that there is no sound. आवाज ना आए. So students, have
सर
you?
आप एक बार फिर से बोल दीजिए.
Okay, I am repeating all the answers. Please please match. First, in the first option, be his own master. In second option, stronger than anyone else. In the second, the a wolf. In third, a wolf. In fourth, the bear. And in the fifth one, the strongest of all. And the sixth one, a lion. And the seventh one, afraid of man. So these were the options. In the next exercise, students, we need to write the complete each of the following phrases with the suitable word from the box. See the next exercise. In the first option, please fill a fleet of ship. A fleet of ship. So option is a fleet in the first. In the second, next exercise, see in the book, it is given in the book. Next is bunch of flower. A bunch of flowers. Third is a brood of chicks. And fourth one is herd of cattle. And fifth, I am writing here. So fifth one is a flock of a bundle of sticks. A bundle of sticks. Sixth one is, students, flock of sheep. A flock of sheep. Now let's talk about the seventh. Seventh is, students, a school of fish. And eighth, a pack of wolves. So these were the answer of the second exercise, students. Now one exercise is left of your book. एक exercise और बचा है. Let's also complete it today. इसको भी आज complete कर लेते हैं. All these exercise only you will do in your book. आपको book में ही करना है. Only question answer and word meaning you need to write in your notebook. Question answer और word meaning जो है आपको copy में लिखना है. And the exercise given in the book only meant for the book, or it should be done in the book. Now you need to make noun out of the adjective word, students. Adjective word से हमें noun बनाना है with the help of prefix ity, nes, nes. So words are given. We need to make noun out of these adjective words. So first word is that, students. Exercise B. First word is honesty. Honest. So its noun would be honesty. Second word is kind. kindness. Third, I am going to write here. Third is, students, cruelty. Let's talk about the fourth word. It's a calm. Its pronunciation is keep. Its pronunciation is, students, calm. So its noun is calmness. Fifth word is sad. So its noun would be sadness. Sixth word, next word is active. Activeness, activity. Seventh word is creative. Creative, creativity. Eighth word is sincere. Sincerity. Ninth word is cheerful. It's cheerfulness. Three more words are there, students. Bitter. 10th word, bitterness. And next word is sensitive. Sensitivity. And last word is 12th, great. Greatness. So these were adjective words which noun, which we need to convert them into noun, students. So I have written, please note it down. Have you written? Has all students written? सब लोग लिख लिए हैं?
Yes, sir.
So this okay, students. So we have discussed word meaning, question answer, and the exercise of your second chapter. Is there any problem? किसी को कोई problem?
No, sir.
Everything is अंडरस्टैंडेबल? सब कुछ समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
one poem is left, and we don't have enough time to complete the poem today, students. So I will complete the poem, or I will teach the poem tomorrow. मैं कल poem आपको पढ़ा दूंगा, and then this chapter will be finished. So if anyone wants to ask anything, you can ask. पूछना है?
Yes, sir.
सर